Okay, so we're gonna basically revisit the machete repair, see how it did, and compare it to a couple more of my favorite machetes, and just see how it did and how you can tell if your machete is ruined and how you can tell if it's not. So real quick, this is the Corona. I know y'all saw the Corona catastrophic failure video. You can still see some of the waves in it. I've beat them out pretty much for the most part, but this is how you can tell how wavy it still is. Put it to a stone and watch that edge. You can literally see where it's not making contact and where the waves still exist. Okay? Versus the Marble Scout Machete. No waves in sight. Okay? So we're just gonna put them through a couple little paces real quick and see how they do. We're gonna start with the Tramotina 12-inch from Baryonyx. It's got the $5 upgrade. And we're just gonna take a quick look at it. Okay? And granted, you're gonna be cutting grasses with a machete. You're not gonna be chopping wood, but you see, look at the notch that took out. And take a look at the edge. Still none the worse for wear, okay? And also, if you order from Baryonyx and you get the $5 upgrade, they call it, look at the 90 on this spine. I mean, that makes this thing a great one-tool option, in my opinion, is the Tramotina 12-inch from Baryonyx with the $5 upgrade. All right, so it notched. Let's see how it does on the paper test. Not bad. All right, let's take a look at the marbles. Notched. None the worse for wear. Not really a big scraper, but it does all right. Let's take a look at it on the paper test. All right, not great, but it's a machete. I mean, oh, there we go. I had to find the angle. Not bad. All right, now let's take a look at the Corona that had the catastrophic failure. Okay, not bad. It notched. Didn't bend. Let's put it to the paper. Not bad. But still, cutting branches, it rolled edges like crazy. And I almost got them all the way back, but it still needs a little more work. But for the 15 to 18 bucks that I paid for it, I'm gonna try to repair it and get it back right. And I'm still gonna use it, but I'm gonna reserve it for tall grasses only. The Marbles Scout Machete for, like I said, about 15 bucks. A lot more stout. It take a lot more abuse and has taken a lot more abuse. I'm gonna use that for a little bit of everything. And the Tramotina from Baryonyx, Tramotina 12-inch, with that just beautiful 90-degree spine because of the $5 upgrade. This is gonna be my big knife. So that's what it pans out to.